Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Morty Rizzmas token. Ticker symbol is MRZM. Now, a long time ago, I did a video on a Morty token that was on the Ethereum blockchain. That was popular, but today, exploding on, you can see on the chart sites, the Morty token is doing very well today, and that is a new token on the Solana blockchain. And Rizzmas, very popular token. I did a video on Rizzmas maybe about a week ago when it first came out, and that token has been extremely popular. So now, you know, when two tokens are popular, you combine them both, and now we have Morty Rizzmas. And this token here is trending. It was just trending number 1 on DEX Tools. Now it's trending number 6 on DEX Tools. Very popular token today. Even Rizzmas is trending number 3 right now, and Morty is trending number 8. So we got, in the top 10 trending on DEX Tools, we got Morty, we got Rizzmas, and Morty Rizzmas. So we're going to be talking about the Morty Rizzmas token, ticker symbol MRZM, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, it's trending number 6 right now on DEX Tools, and it's trending number 22 on DEX Screener right now. Now this token is very new. Just came out 6 hours, 9 minutes ago. That's when the pair was created on Raydium. This is a brand new Solana meme coin that was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And you could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, this token here has been doing some marketing as well on DEX Screener. They have the marketing boost 150 lightning bolts button that you could find there on DEX Screener. So they're doing a good job of shilling the token out immediately in the first, 24 hours. I'm going to put their Twitter up here in the corner of the screen, their X, so you guys can easily find this project, and it is at Morty Rizzmas on X. They also have a Telegram and a web page, and you can find those linked on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now it says here that their Telegram is at Morty Rizzmas Soul, and they have 348 Telegram subscribers. You could preview the Telegram portal channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project, memes, new token listings, announcements, all that good stuff. And they just joined Twitter November 2024, 251 followers. You can see it has a link to their Telegram there at Morty Rizzmas on Twitter. 22 posts so far. 10 minutes ago, that says we just reached 3,970 holders, and then they have a DEX Screener link right in this pinned tweet there, or their newest tweet. So you can easily find the contract address on DEX Screener right there from the Twitter. So if you wanted to get this token, an easy way to get it, first of all, you need to download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC for a Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, or Phantom Wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol after you download it, and you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Morty Rizzmas token using the contract address you could find on the DEX Screener chart, which is linked on the Twitter. You could also find it on SolScan, DEX Tools, Bird Eye. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. There will be a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium, and this token may also be available on other dexes like Meteora, Jupiter, and Orca. Now it says 3,970 holders in their last update from 10 minutes ago. I just went over to Dex Tools and they're already at 4,350 holders, so they're doing even better than that. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now the total and circulating supply is 999,000,000.97 tokens. So they also have a quick audit on Dex Tools by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. And they got a Dex score of 89 out of 99. If you go to their webpage, it says, "This is Morty Rizzmas. Let's celebrate the holiday with a bang." Morty Rizzmas is the wittiest, most interdimensional token on the Solana blockchain, inspired by the awkward charm and unexpected charisma of everyone's favorite sci-fi sidekick. This token brings holiday cheer and cosmic energy to your portfolio. Morty Rizzmas is more than just a token. It's a celebration of humor, risk, and intergalactic camaraderie wrapped into the brilliance of a decentralized finance. Now that it says 0 taxes, mint revoked, LP burnt, and we could verify that on Twitter. They have a liquidity pool, it says, of $69,000 in Raydium, and 99.98% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. This token is up 17,894% in the past 24 hours. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.1 million. Market cap is $834,000, so they haven't reached $1 million yet, but they're still trending, so, we'll see what happens. That's also their fully diluted valuation. Now, they have a token price right now, 0.0007. So 3 zeros after the decimal and then a 7 USD. And it says here that they have 136.8 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 43,494,900 pooled MRZM tokens. And so he's going to bring Rizz for the holiday season in this charming celebration. And you can find this token here on Dex Screener with all the links. And they have 2 different liquidity providers so far. And that is basically about it on this token. So let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.